Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we will discuss about random forest implementation. In our previous classes, we discussed about random forest hyperparameter, bias variance trade-off, how random forest works. All these concepts were clearly covered in our previous classes. So please follow our playlist from the beginning so that you will have a clear understanding about the complete machine learning concepts and implementation. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below, and the link to download this coding document and data document is also provided in the description below. Coming to the implementation, here we use Amazon mobile dataset. The discussion about Amazon mobile dataset and the most of the coding which we use for implementation was clearly discussed in naive based implementation on Amazon mobile dataset. Whatever the modifications we have done for implementing random forest, those modifications will be discussed here. If you don't have any idea about what's this code and how we implemented, how we done data cleaning, data pre-processing, what is ROC, AUC curves, all these discussions were clearly made previously. So only the modification part will be discussed here. So coming to the implementation, first 5 blocks of the code consists of data pre-processing on Amazon mobile dataset, data cleaning and data pre-processing on Amazon mobile dataset. After completing our data cleaning and data pre-processing, we converted our data into Amazon mobile data cleaned.csv file. So this is the cleaned and data pre-processed CSV file. We use this CSV file for taking the data from the data pre-processed data. Now we are taking only 5,000 data records from our 70,000 Amazon mobile reviews, because random forest will take a lot of time for implementation, for execution. So according to your random access memory capability, you can increase the number of lines, number of data points. So here we are taking only 5,000 data points. Taking that 5,000 data points and splitting them into training data and testing data. After splitting the data into training and testing data, convert into bag of words. Here we are doing only on bag of words. You can try on your own on TF-IDF, Word2Vec and TF-IDF, Word2Vec also. So converting it to bag of words. After converting into bag of words, now coming to implementation, we use random forest classifier for implementing the random forest. It's there in from sklearn.ensemble. So just take a look at the random forest classifier class. In this we are having n underscore estimators is equal to 100. This shows that how many decision trees we have to construct. If n underscore estimators is equal to 50 decision trees, this n underscore estimators is the hyperparameter for random forest, and criteria is equal to Gini means whether you have to construct based on Gini impurity or entropy value. Max depth is equal to none means it will take the maximum depth. So here random forest we have to leave it like none, because a random forest is applied on a high variance model. So high variance means maximum depth, it has to move up to maximum depth. So leave it like that. Max underscore features is equal to, if you place it as 0.5, 50% of the features are considered for randomly selected for constructing our decision trees. Like that same way, max underscore samples is equal to 0.5. If you place it as 0.5 means 50% of the data points are considered for each time randomly for each decision tree with replacement. That is what random forest do. So coming to execution, remaining part of the code, we are using random forest classifier. We made it as max underscore samples is equal to 0.5, max underscore features is equal to 0.5, and n underscore estimators is equal to, we are taking 2, 5 means 2 decision trees, 5, 10, 30. Out of this, which one is giving the highest accuracy? That is selected from grid search CV. Hyperparameter is tuning on grid search CV. Okay. So the best hyperparameter we got here is n underscore estimators is equal to 200. So taking this n underscore estimators as 200, we are generating our random forest model. N underscore estimators is equal to 200, and we are displaying the AUC plots and confusion matrix. So this is what about the implementation of random forest. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below.